In a second, you will be asked to complete an activity that requires you to use a digital manipulative. We will be using cubes. You will be given a link that will take you to a website that looks just like this. You will come over to where it says manipulatives, click here, and you will have to click the arrow to scroll down until it says connecting cubes. Once you click that, this will appear. To use the cubes, you will just drag and release. If you want to connect two cubes, you'll grab another one and attach it like this. If it does something weird like this, they are not connected and you'll have to move it a little bit like that. And once you see this little magnifying glass, they are now connected. So you will go ahead and do that. I recommend making stacks of the same color because you will be asked to represent different data points using the cubes. So this would represent a data point of 3 because there are 1, 2, and 3 cubes. So I'm going to take a second and make some stacks. As you can see, I've now made some stacks of cubes. If I were to want to separate these, I would have to click on the little magnifying glass because right now they're all connected. If I click on one of them, it's going to move the whole stack. To just move one, I have to click here and then it will let me. I can also change the color once it's only one single cube as well. The same goes for deleting. If I click on this, I can click backspace or delete and this whole section will be deleted. If I just want one cube to be deleted, I have to separate it and then click the backspace or delete. In the next activity, you'll be asked to represent the data points and then make equal stacks. So you'll have to leave the number of stacks you have, in this case 1, 2, and 3, and I'd have to try to make equal stacks using the cubes I have, so manipulating these cubes so that all of these stacks are equal to one another. Have fun and please feel free to rewatch the video if you need any help.